Hi designers, today in this video I'll show you how to install Claude Code via terminal on Mac and how to connect Figma with Claude Code through MCP Figma. We'll also create a page design and transfer it to Figma. So first let's get prepared. We'll need some documentation to work with. This is the Claude documentation for installing Claude in Terminal. We'll be taking commands from here to get started. The Figma documentation for launching MCP Figma and Terminal. To open Terminal on Mac, use the shortcut Command plus space, type Terminal in the search and open it. Done. Let's move on to the setup. The first step is to install Claude Code in Terminal. To do this, copy this command and paste it into Terminal. Wait for Terminal to execute the command. The command has been executed and Claude Code is installed. Let's launch and configure it. To do that, type Claude and press Enter. Claude has launched and the settings screen has appeared. This setting controls how our Claude will look. Choose the option that works for you. I like the dark theme, so I'll just press Enter. Next, you need to log in to Claude. To do this, you must have a paid plan. Unfortunately, this doesn't work for free. Press Enter on the first option. You'll be redirected to the browser to log in. Make sure you're connecting an account with an active paid subscription. The terminal says login successful. Press Enter. Here Claude tells us it can make mistakes and so on. Press Enter again. Next, agree to the recommended settings. Press Enter. We trust this folder. Press Enter. That's it. We've successfully installed Claude Code in Terminal. Now we can start working with it. But first, let's make sure everything is working correctly. Close Terminal and open it again. Type the Claude command. If you did everything right, the Claude Code interface will open. Step 2. Connecting Figma MCP. Go to the Figma documentation and copy the installation command. Paste it into the Claude Code command line. After the command runs, copy the second command and paste it into the line again. Confirm everything it asks you. This will help avoid errors. The Figma MCP server has been successfully added. Close Terminal and open it again. Type the Claude command in Terminal. Good. Claude Code is running. Now, type /mcp. The Figma MCP is also installed. Great. But we need to authenticate. Let's do that. Select Figma in the MCP list and press Enter. Then select Authentication and press Enter as well. You'll be redirected to the browser to authenticate. Complete the process and come back. We did everything correctly. Now let's create the design. Open Terminal. Launch Claude. Type your request. The creation process has started. It takes a little while, so I've sped it through. I didn't cut anything out. Agree with whatever Claude asks and everything will work out great. The generation is complete. Let's give the command to open our design in the browser. Looks really good, and that's in just 5 to 10 minutes. Great work. Now let's transfer it to Figma so we can edit it. Open an empty Figma file and copy the link to it. Tell Claude to send the design and give it the Figma link. Wait for the result. Our design is now in Figma. Excellent. Everything can be edited. We did it all correctly. If the video was helpful, leave a like and drop a comment. See you soon.